Hi guys, and welcome back again to my vlog. For this episode 1, I'm just gonna clean this mess right here. So let's focus on this mess that I made. Okay, I just removed everything from the table, and look at this dirt right here. Okay. Ew. I just cleaned my, what is this? This thing. Look how dirty it is. Okay, I finished cleaning. In here, I have my glasses, I have my perfumes, mascara, and such. A candle, rings, any type of rings. This heart thing, skincare right here, my jewelry here. I think that's it for episode 1.